up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. We have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. So, people, this is the third man Annie change in space of less than a month. Annie are going to bad, you know. Me know say some of them are just like entertainment purpose, like the second man after. You know what I mean? The man there, she say them link up just because entertainment, right? But me don't know about that one year. If that one year entertainment also. But we are gonna get in with people because the man, you know what I mean, deal with a nice little dish for Annie, and it's like them just eat it off right away. You see it? So we want to know opinion on it, soon go over there. Also, we have Rosealee, my people. And Rosealee a robot Raja and also Jabas. You know what I mean? We don't know Jabas and Rosealee have an ongoing thing a go on. Him, you know what I mean, say I go sue Rosealee. He must draft up the papers them already and send it out. I'm not 100% sure. See him? So I'm going to share Rosealee office about him, my people. Also we have Shay and the Lion Man. Zane, the Lion Man, decide to give some trouble and do some prank call. And want to know hear when prank Shay with. See? So we do some prank call with people and we're going to get tonight. We don't know him stay, right? So World Dog and bybz link up on live. Me never know say World Dog and bybz like them come from the same place. Them used to par and them something there. Me never know that. So I just know we are find out with people. You see me? Say them a friend for a long time. You see it? All bybz mother with World Dog go. You see me I say? So we're gonna get in that my people. And as me say, them say World Dog get them bust up some way after him in him vehicle. I know me don't hear nothing about that my people. You see me I say? So it look like I just rumors are growing. But yeah, ivany I know my people. It's like this what would I say? This concern. People are clutch them pearls because ivany they on OnlyFans. Me I wonder if them remember who is ivany. Them know who is ivany. Ivany don't give a FUCK. You see me? And right now the money ivany I pray. And me not see nothing wrong with OnlyFans then, no people. Me not see nothing wrong with it. Tell me if you not see nothing wrong with it. Especially knowing who ivany is, them a talk about her son and this and look how much people have them picnic and them still up on there. Look how much people do all different type of things and them have picnic. Picnic not stop nothing. So these are the things me have to share with people. I don't know if I left out nothing. But we could get in it.
Yo, hold on. I want to ask you something. Look. Mad. Tough. Sick. Head no good. Panty drop. Brief drop. Sweet. No, this are not go with this, I know. This are not go with this, I know. This are that they not go with this. It not go with that, they know. It now go with that, you know, because I'm not gonna know. it not, no, this now go with that then. You see it? Remember say, I mean the man when know if you dressing a bro. Me, bro, you never see me in no fuck with gear in a dog. You see it? You never see me in no fuck with gear, bro. I mean, oh, this. Wait, oh, this. Oh, this apartment. It. Oh, this. Me pay around 50, I lie, me pay around 80,000 just for that polo shirt, wait. So I'm gonna take in. You see it? Yeah, man. I'm gonna take it in. You see what I say? And if anybody will talk about fake, look upon it. Jayden never wear nothing fake, my boy. You see, and me just and what me just do, me just wear it and then me dash it. You see it? You see what I say? So I want to see shoes. I want to see shoes where I go with it. Alright, hold on. Hold on, let me follow. Hold on. Wait. Hold on. Alright, so now. Hold on. No, this are not really. This I can't go with it. No. This I can't go with it, you know? I feel like this I can't go with it. This I can't go with it, huh? So. Alright. Oh, I can't go with it. Oh, I can't go with it. Alright, here first. Clarks, what kind of Clarks? This one. No, So I can't go with it. I can't go with it. Air Force, go with it. Air Force. Air Force. Jesus Christ. real kicker is you can't just, brown clocks. Brown clocks. Alright, bro.
Alright, my people, so I want to tell me about the drip them where my show. One thing me know, you can't go wrong when it comes to Air Force. Air Force One, you can't go wrong no matter what the occasion is. Air Force One can wear go anywhere at all. You cannot ever go wrong. So if him just want to play it safe in a way, just you wear the Air Force One and he can go with anything. You see what I say? Yeah. So we're going to hear the prank call him now, my people.
No.
How come, baby? You good? Where are they? So we can link up or something when I come my side. Outside of it? The town. Next week you come? So we can do things? You sure? You have money? So you come, oh yeah, was a joke and you like going on money. What do you mean? You see, eh? What do you mean by that? When you find like man, more rich I have most of man. When you find like man, your house are come back and all money. Oh, true. So when in the next week you fall? We have some packaging connects, so we look on packaging cruise as soon as no packaging we can have a business. Are you front good for you? Always. I mean I go stick with it. Always. We are going to sit down? Yeah. Alright, just text me. Alright. I want to know, dog. Georgie, I look for a man like me, bro. Just know say man a gallus, bro. Because I want some of them, you know. You hear that? And Henny would have loved the goal. Shark fool. Well, I don't know girl get. Huh? Try somebody. I don't know if she go answer in a call. I don't know. Don't know if she go answer in a chat. I don't know. But we have to try. And me a shake. You have been redirected. Probably she find it like me, man. You have been redirected. Like she blocked me. She blocked me. You get blocked. I check out the third time. You have been redirected. You heard that? What's my private number?
Mm-mm.
You good, man. You good. You good. What they want? That's what somebody block me. Blood clot this. Me pussy clot. Who one of them people here? Wanna block me for? Everybody just a block me so. Jesus. Who one of them people here? Jesus Christ. Shit, me have me not lie, me not lie, but me want to tell you something. Me want to lie, me just I go tell you for now. Me like you. Eh? You make me have blood clot, not need a boy. No, me I say I like you, so. Look boy, you make me have nothing. Mama bring down your blood clot, but you're something wrong with your mother or what? So me can't tell how me feel. Jayden, go sleep, go bed, what you drink? Alright, the queenie phone them, a queenie me like them. Come like something wrong with blood clot, your mother or what? Alright, Shay. Alright. I go sleep. Good night, go to your bed, bye-bye. Alright. So. Yes. Jesus Christ, alright. Try Zozo. Typing go answer. Zozo Bala. Zozo asleep. Zozo asleep. Zozo asleep. I call him straight. Actually. Brother, I not Dirk number, you know. Feel me a batty man.
Hey, my people, me nah lie. You see, Shay reaction was so priceless. Me nah lie. I be a laugh, me a laugh. You know, see, all when the lion man come off of the phone, I be a laugh, him a laugh. Yeah, no, yo, Shay, no easy, you know. That's how, like, Shay look at him as a friend to that Max there, where she can't believe, say, him a look her and him know say she have a woman and plus, you know what I mean? Maybe a true him a no Shay type still, you know my people. Maybe him a no Shay type, that's why Shay deal with the thing so. Shay say go be yo, Jaja, people make go watch some more then move on to the next.
Triple no answer me.
We're sorry, the number you have dialed.
No, I got nothing from she. Sis Zozo, why not answer me? Sister Zozo, why not answer me? I'll try back right you.
Yo, brother, me send me to the gym, bro.
Bro, say nothing, me offer, bro.
Nah, bro, me not do that.
Wait now, bro. Wait now, charge it before you hang up now, bro.
Yeah.
Nobody not have to know charge it. Nobody not have to know.
Boy, nah, company kind of thing, brother. Don't come on them thing, brother.
Huh?
At the gym. Don't come on them kind of things, brother. Don't do that shit. Don't do that.
No, me I said nobody not have to know, bro. You see, we can't do it on the low. What not have to know, bro?
Bro, we not do shit on the low. Relax yourself, bro.
Alright, pan it hiding.
Huh?
Pan it hiding. Don't tell everybody.
High, low, round, corner, center, move your blood clot. Me not do anything. Bye. Me not the bumbo clot, Jim. If you was close here, put a weight on your blood clot head and drop it on your. Move your bumbo clot, my bro. Move.
Right, and about him, man. I can't call right about him again. But I know that. I can't call right about him again. Probably I know me in type. Hello? No. Try able. Try pile bars. Yo, able.
Yo.
Right here. Yeah, go ahead.
What kind of fuck you up to now, brother? What going?
Let me what kind of fuck me up to my yacht.
So what going? Where are you?
Let me what kind of fuck me up to that. Never call up on
You not call me them night, how we can't call you on what going?
Sorry, me for call up early and them things, but that's it.
What going?
You good?
What going, man?
You go back.
So I go on, man. I are you.
You shave your foot answer?
What?
Your foot shave answer?
Yeah, real batty man in already.
No. Yeah, no, but that's asking for foot shave, bro. You see, take things.
We are going to put you up, my brother.
I don't feel like
I'm not going to fuck you up to buy you. Where are you, brother?
yeah, man, I tell you the truth, man. I rate you and things, you see.
Yeah, you're going, brother. Go on your business, brother. Can I put you in here? Come ask me.
No, but that's asking for foot shave, bro, man.
I record, man. I'm going to batty man together, man, bro.
Which way? Yeah, but you not record, man. We're free, man. I can't say anything you want, man. I'm not telling
Yeah,
you.
batty man, both say anything. Come over my bumbo class phone and put you in business, brother.
Yeah, but cool.
Some fuck you up to you. I'm coming over here like this. I'm more some fuck.
Oh, God. Oh, yeah. Oh, God.
Bybz.
Yo.
Hello.
I go on.
I me.
I hear you now.
Now go come tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, you're for my birthday. What you say?
Tomorrow, bro?
That's word.
Tomorrow your birthday?
Yeah, tomorrow my birthday.
So you have money?
Yes, baby, me spend any amount of money for you. You don't know you done.
That's so good.
No.
That's a lie straight from the pit of hell. Me say any girl ever come in a first place and tell me say them not do that, they better make a U-turn. Me no bother want it. Because if them no want do, if them no want, you know what I mean, me, that means there's a next man them a deal with them way, because right now the in thing every girl a do it. So, you know what I mean, this a girl can't tell me nothing. No matter how he could have ball blood. You can't tell me nothing. Well, this is just my opinion still with people. Because I know say you have girls out there who don't do it. You know what I mean? So this is just my opinion. But the people, here we go on. Suppose all the whole of them people here this youth you call on live, right? Suppose some of them did say certain things. You know what I mean? Suppose Able Boss did a undercover and I go with the argument where him a put to him. Eh? Boy, man, I think career would have mash up like dog. Boy, man, I tell you, yo, people, they could move on to the next. Enough of this, you know.
Child, I feel how it feel to have a child where you can sit down and fret and worry about as our day go by living on the earth. To all these young, you don't want a chick or a blood clot child. No for we blood clot girl man fuck we don't know them last name. I know Roger them a blood clot wicked. Roger you living at the Garrison. When I know when bad man a fuck young girl them can't talk. Worse if them family poor. You gonna say hey girl here when I got a part of my come back. You're supposed to be in my house. You can't talk. Bad man have some young girl for them at 13, 14, 15. Young looking bit of girl. You know these things in a Roger clout here looking at pussy hole. You know them thing in a pussy. You know them blood clotting you know. That's why I can't like him. I tell you it straight. You know this blood. You know these things a clout here look. Cause spanglers a couple, you know, bad man thing go. A bad man a fuck you when you're 13, you can't talk. Worse if your family them a mascot. Hey girl, we have blood clot though. On a mouse. You know these things. Make the girl go deal with her blood. So I'm tell liar, make the girl go deal with her program. Stop have skyline over here. Poof. Go deal with that thing and arrest the blood clot girl, man. Because you know it's unfair for some to me and me saying I proof to the world say happen and I tell me say nothing happen. That's the worst thing for me come say. Somebody poison me. I mean I tell you, oh me get poison. You look and tell me say I don't get poison. And the worst thing that. I'm see some little big pussy girl like myself but I've picked me. I got blood class and I tell me, oh you don't believe. So let me say that I come tell you something. What I'm told you want to prove. Me don't want to prove a blood clot. She not prove none to me a blood clot. And the way you're going to the person, she have to start talk fast. Call me head chip. And if you say yes, mommy, I saw guys, as me reach him, I'm neck me a grab for. Be a diggings in a blood clot neck. Make the iron suit rock. Mr. Me red a blood clot get locked up for wrong accused and cause. But I don't think I'm a blood clot pity them tell me I me a work with. As a blood clot, man, I don't know about to tell me nothing. Anything what them blood, I give them no benefit of the blood clot down. Anything what them tell me, I that me a blood clot work with. Yeah. Me not safe, me rather sorry. I'm a 10 toes blood clot down when me attack it. Me say some look a big old girl like me say we are picking at them out to come to come suck me. I look on my blood clot name kind of nice over here. Look on my blood clot name. Towards blood clot down. Some look a big old girl with some cesspool carriage. Like my blood clots. So I come, I want to have mother of 5, mother of 8, mother of 10. That means I want to pick come tell you so no man where I touch you not believe. Cause I don't want man no. Yes, they like man, they like it, man. You want man on a blood clot one on a big hole. Two things come first in my life. God am I two of them. Don't make no mistake with me, nigga. Don't make me no mistake and I make it run to my intention. I live in a house with blood clot jigs and I have jigs and I make it run past my intention. I'm killing me here. I tab him up in here, killing me now I'm sleep. I mean I take publicly, I'm gonna run the blood clot joke. Them young leave them, make them grow. Remember me the young too. And bad man the corner me and force himself by me too. Don't think him couldn't fuck me standing up. So I know exactly what Peter get talk about. Me did young too. Man corner me. One grind me off, standing up. Standing blood clot up and show me big. Me did young too. You know what boy tell me one time say? He might go to blood clot school. You know I'm turn back to man start to pick him up. When I go to school. After him arrive to go home. Then start to bribe him with money, then start to suck him up. Pitney young, you're young, a girl at 16. Make the story play out. You come and write the story and I beat the girl, I beat the girl, I beat the girl, I beat the girl. I beat the blood clot girl here there. Every blood clot. You walk a blood clot search a pussy clot. But if you go away, man, Roger move your blood clot. Shay give you 2 blood clot with them. Shay can't emphasize by nothing. Eh? All the blood clot if you give up my 2 with them and care about people and them business. Shay give a few happy to them. Roger you don't have blood clot none. You know what, Mr. Bull argument with Roger? Roger, you don't corner me. I have learned. Can you hear me here where you say? Yeah, me need more evidence. Some say need more. Me need more evidence. Some say me need more evidence, Roger. Roger, if you have one pick now, one man tell, I your pick tell you say, one man singular. You gotta tell her say you need more evidence. And then you gotta tell a blood clot pick me. Because you have to think like you have kids. In a certain situation. People, see me on here. I don't care. I can't tell Jabaz this publicly. Jabaz, I believe you're guilty. You have to prove me say you're innocent. And the argument done. You have to prove to Rosalie that you're innocent. I believe you're guilty as fuck. You have to prove your innocence to me. And me no blood clot care when me talk. That period, cause me have gal pit na them in my yard. I mean I got blood clot make seka. Me not gonna make seka. Oh, proving nothing for them.
Me people, at the end of the day, a night. But when me I say, if somebody I come out and I say somebody did something or whatever, then and there's no face to match with the accusation, right? And there's no report to a station, that look like bring down. You see me I say? And bring down, you have to get to the bottom of the bring down. You don't want to hurt nobody because them a come out and I tell them truth, and you don't want a person I get accused of something with them not do. You understand? So them searching for the female, I don't see nothing wrong with that. Them never dare search for her if you do her. No. They want to know if a she the people them a talk about. You know what I mean? Because this spooky, the whole thing spooky. Because we are hear this, we are hear that, but we not get no concrete none. You see me I say? So let me know what you think, what somewhere.
People tell me something eat me a work with. Done blood clot chat. Stop calling my pussy clot name, but people are liar. I don't know a liar. Cause when a cloud tracer come up on the app mirror, I just not go on phone no. Pan this. I mean I go hide from Jabaz how me feel. I never know so I saw the story the deep brother. I'm gonna tell you the truth from my heart. You are guilty in my mind and your eyesight. You have to prove to me saying you're guilty, brother. That that's how me feel. I'm not a hypocrite like them, cause Roger know you're guilty. Him know. I clout him a look. The man laugh like, Shay, your house clean, yeah. Shay, me know your house work, yeah. Shay, do have your kids.
Triple chat.
We could have a clean house and have my opinion them.
Right.
Shay, go look for Sure and JR.
DM say go. Come triple chat.
Put something on the first triple a chat. Come in, chat. Time is now. Better know our money gone. We have 6 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2. More, Rose. Thank you. Jesus. Chatting a little good. More, thank you. Chat, the time is now. I need, you know. The 200 I want to touch a Raas clock screen.
What a shot.
600, you know.
Who claim me?
2 times 3 is 600, you know. Tap the screen, bro. Now, ladies and gentlemen. Alright. Wait for the speed. Tell Rose, may I ask you if you're alright? So, what's up?
Me here.
Go and take it day by day, mama. Yeah, do you. Go and do you. Enjoy watching you. So, just not change you for nobody, please. There? Not change you for nobody. All if you cuss me, I love you same way, girl.
Me not cuss you. What me a cuss you for?
You did cuss me, I love you same way. You not hear me?
But me never cuss you every dance. I just say go at the algorithm.
You cuss wife, you cuss me now. But you understand? I love you. You're very entertaining. You know how to talk and make people laugh. I wish me could have cussed like you in a rock. Jesus Christ, if I could have cussed like you, water. That'd be a thing for you, you. If me have somebody to cuss, me can link you one way and make a cuss them for me.
I walk across people.
Even one time. And I have to make a cuss them.
So I want to go and watch some tappers.
Focus, chat. This is Rosealee, chat. We're playing a best of 3 right here. You don't know what was? At first, I play a match with Rosealee.
Come back at all so you can catch your speed. We're not tap, you know.
That's what you want to come. After the reset.
Cancel them, but cancel them all Miss Road. Some of them, hey.
Cancel call me, I'm not get now.
We can't blood clot at your speed.
Send it back, or try again.
Chat. Let's say big old Shay. All I know, big old Shay.
No, chat. Take a lead for no. Anybody will have a money gun, beg or no, don't drop. Take a lead for no. Vanessa, thank you so much. Come in, take a lead for no, chat. Take a lead for my money gun.
I mean, Rosealee.
That is it.
Olive Jakes about Shay. What I mean tell the crew? Shay, Olive Jakes about me 110%. Me not leave him. We are cook honey. A man no want to. Remember man feeling a Shay. I don't want to come argue with blood clot girl a man feeling. Shay, man feel uno no have to take plastic. You know, Rosealee ever do a spot smear yet? Yeah, you like blood clot mascot girl. I'm not supposed to do pot smear Shay. I'm not take plastic a rocky take. A plastic phone on a mouth corner. Dirty girl, what do the bicep and it lean? I mean, how that come to me? No worry about if Jakes want on me. Worry about the man who not go want you. The last man me see I take a pamper seminar. Also not top girl pan the apple is a disgrace. Chat me not talk about the 0 girl, cause share them a 0. 0.9999 negative. 0.9999 negative. Share them a 0.999 negative. 0 girl. Oh, yes, Rose. Man, I burn you up a long time. Me and Jake says I'm supposed to fuck by me. Let it burn, let it burn. Share me name Rosealee. Any boy would want me to turn him in a celebrity. Just to say them I'm a new man. I'm a big impact that on the net. You don't know what share me a top girl for you. You stink. You want to last Shay, your house ever clean. Are you ever work you don't have your kids? Yeah, house ever clean them ever you don't have a picnic them. Because you give a picnic for going your mouth old. So I know you're in a job a story. You give a picnic for going suck old. I believe that the same to do all the same. I don't want to go on a certain diplomat about triple. Guys, I'm going to take red dance score. I don't know him come out. I mean him Rosalie in a red dance. Dance because I mean him Rosalie. You forgot. Triple Chad. Red dance no one about me. Chad use a triple. Chad come now. Come Chad. Use a triple. Chad use a triple. I don't want you to know about right. Something me I look. Watch them salt. Guys, when I have money gun. Them are coming to chat.
He connect. Yes, baby.
So long.
Babe, I'm begging, B. Give me a minute, I'm begging.
So long.
Here right now, I'm not
Sit down with another dance. Oh!
Oh, yeah.
Red dance! Oi! Red dance!
What you
Sit
say?
down with no. You can't call it red dance.
No, we have to have faith and strong mind.
A red dance in name chat.
Yes. One bomb buckler red dance.
Chat, our name.
You should have won the connect your fuck.
You can't win a red dance. You can't win this. The girls them second.
We catch up. Who that one?
Wow.
My uni.
Wow.
My universe.
Nothing that in a gift box. Gallery.
You never know. You have to have faith, girl. Remember, say we're going on a date so people can come send me uni. You know.
Chat. We are trying to go up there. Guys, we have to red dance at 6 and make it red dance.
Unite. TY, they're the last part, and a UNI, you know. A UNI TY.
One Rosalie on the app.
One blood carrier. Blood, man.
But hold on, red dance, we are mute a little bit. Guys, when don't make red dance win. Chat with no more gloves. Guys, snipe. See you, me under the NSC. We now look.
Alright, my people, so we are going to watch some more and then we are going to move on to the next. So let me know what you think in the comment section. See, so this whole Jabba's Raja, you know what I mean, situation, the female were involved, we say allegedly whatever, you see me I say, me feel like say some actions here do right now. You know what I mean? In order for people like believe on the stories now, we need to see some actions. Whether Jabba's do him do, come here say serve Rosalie summons me yet to see that, you know what I mean? That need to be done. We can say boy, alright, Jabba's are moving in the right direction with all of these stuff here. And you know what I mean, rose them for sure the person who say she him do whatever. So she have to come forward. Me understand our reservation still to come forward, but you know what I mean, if you are gonna come out, you better just come out and done more than, you know what I mean, for your half step. You see me? So let me know what you think. We want some more.
Good chat, guys, make us snipe. Snipe chat. Snipe no chat. How much him reach? Oh, I'm cut this. Hello? Pussy a suck. Batty a lick out. If I give me 5,000, oh, okay. Block. See you, thank you, Mona. Send me your banana chips. I'm a thank donut for the bag of whale. Come chat, I give me 1.6. But tappers them thanks. First triple chat. Chat first triple. You walk a blood clot. Look if Jake's a fuck for me. In short, Shay a walk a look if Jake's a grind for me. Then Shay if Jake's a grind for me, are you my grind pan? I first me hear this time my born. And a man not stop grind pan or what? A Rosalie me name. If Jake's a cat left a man in. Well, a woman me name, I'm gonna fuck out like you know. If Jake's a man, me can get somebody to replace Jake's. I don't think them all want celebrity life, I'm not gonna tell them a celebrity. For life!
Chad, put something there, Chad. Chad.
Pure things, pure things, pure things.
No, sir, man, you need to come down.
Hang down like a dog is. Him a pussy hang down like a mud guard. You ever see them big blood clot trailer there pass and the mud guard a flap so with beard dot pan it. Beard dot a flap pan it so. It no look good still, but you over there look. So that means you are look good. Cause you say it no look good, but you over there look and come back and bring you. So that means you did look very good. That's all I can say. Shit.
I want to watch Pandora. I'm going to look on Google. On YouTube, how to clean my Pandora bracelet.
Don't worry yourself. Somebody soon comment over here. So somebody will go comment. Me know so they might go have a big pussy you can put in there. Just put in there and make your blood clot get alcohol. You know, it can go full of acid, you know. So your pussy go deep clean the Pandora bracelet. Take out every dirt. Next time you comment there for man. Come like you either get too big. That's what for me to know panic flat with you. You say me want to know one by one up the hill and come on the flat.
You're this for blood clot, sure. You're this. Knock him back. Lift up the chair. Quick.
Oh, the guy there, man, we have some people because. Damn, man, he was one kill five.
I got chat to get your money up, dad. Remember the joke, you love.
Sometimes I can't bother with the mannerism, you know. I can't bother with it sometimes. You know, so I come off a life too. How long me I beg on the 240 and now I can't see nothing. I'm in a safari.
Yeah, more, so I'm here.
I do have a corrupt dog. I'm so forward back dog. I'm not going to say after that.
Yeah, I see that, man. Yeah, I send my match and I jump, so.
Man. Sometimes you go on, sometimes you just forward back dog.
How you go, Bynes?
Dog, you know, say an idea I'm the power serious begging me. I don't know if you can help me.
Begging me the pant, you know.
Alright, now me have one truck and I want to go clear because I say I want to truck driver, you see me? But they say they want 240, I go show you. That's it. So I'm there looking, I don't know if you can contribute to it or you can send somebody come say
I'm not sure I'm going to keep them there.
Remember, say I'm not.
Alright, my people, so see Bynes and Roll Dog, yeah. And me never know see the same place that Chilani them come from. Me just a find out. You see me? And them used to par. You see me? Me never know that it's a small world, you know. Big man thing is a very, very small world. So the dog say him have a truck figure clear. Bynes have car dealership. Because him ever like either some kind of car buying or selling or what do you see him with a market so him saying did a sell and I think him did have a next vehicle him a sell. Him have car dealership. So make we hear them history people.
Just know, you know.
I'm making people them know what I'm going.
Alright, chat. Chat, we still a big chat.
You hear that?
Alright.
Now, favorite, I'm going to play game with my son, Bynes.
Favorite, you go.
Yeah, favorite to me, but
Ah,
don't
no, yeah.
run one match still. We run one match still.
Chat, only a Leshy. How much Leshy is that?
Used to the. No, love you, who yet?
Oh, are you a forward? Me blood. I don't see you down here. Madam,
Yeah.
when you were younger, what did go in your head make you used to run taxi with the golf cart?
You know what I'm saying? Show your dog, and then from the time I try to turn star in a dog. A long time people, you know, say me I try in a life in a bind.
You remember Bada?
Yeah, man. A long time people know some I try in life now. And they still don't give you benefit I don't. They feel like we just get up and do it so. Like we just get up.
I'm not lying. Remember I used to go to town in night. What I carry the name? Green car man, the sound man.
Yo, me tell them say, sometimes I tell them say me used to dance to red stripe. They don't believe you know.
Yeah, dog. We used to be Tika, everybody we go to town in a little hatchback car there.
Yeah, I tell them.
Mad Dog, Jamari, Rowan.
You know, so last time I tell Mari's story from my life. My dog dead and everything.
Yeah, dog, I want Jamari read on the app, man.
Wicked girl, wicked white woman, man.
God, man. And nothing still not come out time, not true?
Nothing. Yeah, you still link with the stepfather?
I mean, dog.
Nothing left him out tonight, G, no dog.
I mean, dog, me and that them on the good till that kingdom come, dog.
Yeah. And when I go to Jamaica, what day I chat to G? Yeah, because somebody I'm show you, somebody said, one man who used to roll it with the red stripe thing, see me, and I tell the dog, say, you remember me? Because me and him and Van got on. You dance with red stripe thing, dog, I say, yeah.
Yeah, dog, them man there, you know where you go.
Yeah.
Yeah, dog, but Jamari, should I dare still, dog, but they fuck up your place, man, I tell a lie.
Wicked artist, man.
Oh, God, man.
Good night. Purple Rain. Melissa, how you go?
Rose chat, sitting on the triple chat.
You know that fall up by him?
1 and 2 times there, I can't bother it fall up more, dog.
Yeah.
And they fall up, they come like sitting down there, hold it down. I truth that. So you know feel you ever got when last you go outside?
We don't know what here, man. I mean, we even spend 20 minutes.
I know that.
Bro, by me say me tap out a KC out of fall, but I say I want to see shit with them. I say I don't like town people that give some energy. Farmer people go like they better than people and they shit can't make party. But they move them post so long go.
Bro, you see a farmer, they don't get energy, dog. Bro, remember when we used to sing tune in a dog?
Town man energy.
Bro, remember when we used to sing tune in a dog?
So much.
You never hear me tune in a village. Out the road, me hear me tune first. And then come hear me tune in a place. Me see all man in a place. Watch out now, me see all man in a place keep party, you know. And me and them my friend, you know, they don't link me and say, yo, me I keep a party, rare. But they want ads. You know they bad that. I one of me dog them, and a such man from Clarkstown, kill a big up yourself, yeah, me dog, right? So them and they first give me big stage show, go up and perform and say, rock show me dog.
Yeah.
You see me? And them and they never left me out, and them and they alone, telling me much man, me say, yo dog, rare. Nah, dog, me not the funny dog, I mean, no business who want pre me, if you don't want pre me, I say you go dog. But if you don't say no rate me as a dog, you don't suppose you can support me craft.
Yeah, bro.
You must can't say dog, me I keep a party in a dog. You want 2 back line and piss at me. You know, I go sitting dog.
See what you mean an argument? I want to look a batty boy from Falmouth Peak side and start chase me to blood clot all about my mother. A man my mother used to feed.
Oh, for your boy there from up the hill.
Yeah. The man sell me up. I say bad man, nobody me don't know you're some bad man, brother. Be yourself. I'm tell.
Well, at least you don't talk your real story.
Eh?
But at least you don't talk your real story. What's bad?
That me I tell him, G.
You just live here or you live me. Enough things we see in the dark, but sometimes I just see I'm blind, yeah, man. You see them people in the land.
Enough time you see people watch the video and they talk about, yo, them money I must kill her for real. I just laugh, bro. Yeah, man, farmer people we hang here, brother. I tell them, a Jollian dog. I say, Jollian. Jollian, I'm a dog, you know, bro. Yeah, dog. Craig, you did my dog.
No, you get me wrong, you know. You have a couple real people at Falmouth, you know.
Yeah, Craig, you did my dog.
If 10 somebody did it, about 4 of them real.
Man, tell us, man, Craig, you did some man from get shot. Craig, and even link me out, me get shot to blood clot. Binds. I tell you every day, dog, man, Craig, chat. How was? Me all up on live and Craig up on the next phone. And me get shot and the man even say, yo, you're good? You're good? I said, Judge, I got dog. I say, man, I'm free.
I'm not real. I don't know if you're real. But alright, you see, in a life, you see, realest people that me meet in a life come from Westmoreland. The realest people that me meet in a life are Westmoreland they come from. Because I know a man from me born and grew and them man they never give me one opportunity. I know a man from West know me 1 month, 2 weeks and change my life, bro.
Real talk. Hey. Real talk, man.
Big up the people that know what's on the hard thing. I know you want to chat.
All them man, mother in man. They wedding in man. I dance. They mother book me for dance in a wedding man. I put on some dance in a wedding man.
Alright. So, brother, them just start again.
Yeah.
Some people say that you used to do some wicked dancing, but they not believe.
So the ear vybz cartel said this my people say like find something that you love. And I know him the first person here said I've been hearing this thing. Find something that you love and do it. You know what I mean? Do it for work. That it won't feel like working because you enjoy doing it. And that's the key. You see me I say that's the key to success on a level because you are one. If it's something where you love to do and you do it and you get paid for do it. What better than that? You see me I say? So World Dog is naturally an entertainer. Maybe if he didn't have some construction work, you know what I mean, him would be successful like how him find entertainment and just master it on a level. You see me? Naturally you can see say this a youth are naturally talented. I don't know where him come fake and put on. You see it? So let me know what you think, my people. I watch some more and then we move on to the next.
Bro, I say everybody in my place a scam dog. I drive big kingfisher and sit dog. A golf cart, me I drive go a party.
Wicked. And I pull up. Wicked.
Wicked.
I remember you beat man this.
Yo.
Fuck out 42 wall. Who by wall? Who by wall like that? Do what you want? Kiss you big up yourself. I laugh. The man be the man out of our gun stick. How you get that gun stick? They come with the car.
I tell you, come with the car. You know, say, I over Bracco, you know, hotel name Bracco. They call me and say, a 3 golf cart with us trouble by a wall, you know. I say, I charter, a taxi man, I say, yo, piece of rope. I pull the golf cart away from a dog Godzilla.
Me up from Bracco, go up the hill, go down the hill.
Come up the hill, man. I press the golf cart, man. I say, you take me, I left this a golf cart. I'm one, this a golf cart today, man. Tonight, you know. Boy, I risk some things with my life, you know, dog. But boy, from a young, me I try, bro. From a young, me I try, dog. From a young, go through it. Thank you so much, Steve. Yeah. So, Jaja.
Chat, me still looking begins, you know, me want you to over, you know,
come over here, I chop her looking. One of them still alive, one. I'll go live on me.
Chat, me still looking too far, you know, chat. No donkey, no cow, no hog, nothing. Jenna, big up yourself, Jenna. I'm telling you, man.
Shay, go eat the food and stop the Shay. Stop the Shay. You like okra?
Yeah. Okra good for the back. Feed my baby. Tastes good?
I got pepper.
Yeah, that's another.
So they might ask you the location. I don't know if we will give the location and tell them exactly which bar, but they might ask you. Okay, they said don't give the location.
Yeah.
You good? Oh, you have to go this one? Nothing? Then done the chicken and chip? Remember that? You come here. Thanks. No. Okay, no honey. Alright, when I get the location.
Can't give it though, that Black River.
Why you give the location? Where?
No, you're not give it the location.
Me just over there, Black River.
Oh, sorry.
Black River, which one?
Hi guys, this is Annie.
Can I Only thing in going like in sleep, you think this sleep, yeah? Okay, pepper on your dog. Look on your face. Okay, I need pepper. Eat. Maybe no one in front.
No, man, I like not treat her for real. Like, me enough. I barely has when it comes to food for real.
So,
it's a food person, you see. But I give her the first preference, you see. Because no says she don't eat fish all up to every day. You know?
You're ready? You're ready to run.
Just kidding.
No, man, you're burn, man. Not there, you're burn.
You should eat up this. Yeah. Remember, you took a lot of weight off the other day. You've been stressed out, like, for real. I don't lose none.
I can't, no.
Maybe they are not important, so you don't lose no weight. May I say? Never important?
No.
That's a good girl. Flap my show, dinner gone to the right and it's fish.
You don't want to
do whatever I do fast.
Why the man pepper this so much?
Pepper good for you.
Pepper with you.
some people will even understand. I see World Jamaica at 8 pound me go. My only fan. Happy to know so the only thing I want right now, papers. Buy my mother house, buy myself.
Alright, my people, so this is Ivany, right? And she are gonna do what she want to do, whenever she want to do it, however she want to do it. You see what I say? So anybody where no know that, they better know now. You see it? Because remember Ivany used to do worse before she left Jamaica. Remember she used to have the local website where she do whatever upon, and I saw them our friend boss it out and something. So I remember say Ivany these people. Just remember who this one I talk about. You know what I mean?
Us and live life. That's it. I don't give a fuck what nobody said. Like nobody.